I think you said something very interesting that I always mention on the live stream, but I want to say it again. You said you weren't that courageous to begin with, but you had to make yourself feel more comfortable to join the live stage like this. And that is definitely something that happens inside of our brains because we can't learn and we can't reach our potential if we are nervous, if we are afraid, if we are shy. These things need to be taken care of first before we learn. Once we open our mind, it will make learning much easier.
I want your advice for something really hard. How to improve my pronunciation? You think now that my pronunciation is pretty well, but when it comes to very hard words, I can't pronounce it very well. So, are there any rules for pronunciation, or it is just I look for every word in the dictionary and keep in my mind its pronunciation? Are there any rules? Because that's something very hard to know.
Yeah, this is definitely a big question, and it's a common question from a lot of
Yes.
people. I think that if we take a step back, someone's L1, their first language, depending upon those sounds, it can heavily influence their L2. For example, like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?